We present the unboxing and installation of the DTF dryer and shaker InkOne SM3. We start by opening the box and removing all components. We assemble the fan mount by screwing it in. We place the fan and secure it in position. Once secured, we connect it. We assemble the film roll holder. We place the bars on the roll holder and secure them by tightening the nuts. We insert the roll holder into its position and screw it in. Once secured, we connect it. Now we proceed to assemble the stand. We screw in the bar that connects both legs on both sides. Once everything is secured, we place the oven on the stand and screw it in. We feed the paper through all parts of the oven until it reaches the rewinder and stick it to it. We place the paper stoppers to prevent movement and secure them. Once completed, we turn on the oven, and it is now set up and ready to use.